welcome to A Call to Nature. Have you ever heard of blue therapy? Blue therapy refers to the therapeutic effects of being in or near water. The concept is based on the idea that spending time near oceans or rivers or lakes or other bodies of water can have significant positive effects on both mental and physical health. Blue therapy can encompass a wide range of activities such as swimming, sailing, surfing, fishing, or just simply walking beside the beach. Some key benefits associated with blue therapy include: number one, stress reduction. Being near water can have a calming effect, reducing stress and also anxiety levels. Improved mood. Who doesn't want that? The presence of water and the sound of waves can boost mood and promote feelings of happiness and well-being. It can also create enhanced creativity. Many people find that being near water helps them think more clearly and creatively. Physical benefits. Activities like swimming and kayaking provoke excellent physical exercise, promoting cardiovascular health and overall fitness. Connection to nature. Blue therapy helps people feel more connected to the natural world, fostering a sense of peace and also tranquility. I hope you have an amazing day and also find yourself on or near water.